Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make an amazing pumpkin spice banana bread. If you have some bananas just laying there, do not throw them away. We'll be using those. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned. I will show you how. To start off with, I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which I have spooned and leveled. I'm going to also add in 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm just going to whisk this, making sure everything gets incorporated together. And I'm going to set this aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add in half a cup of oil. This is just vegetable oil. Half a cup of white sugar. Half a cup of brown sugar. 2 large eggs. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm just going to whisk this together. And over here I have 2 bananas that are very ripe. You want to use ripe bananas for this. Now I'm just going to mash them. And I'm going to add the mashed bananas into the wet ingredients. And also 1 cup of pumpkin puree. And I'm going to whisk this together. And now goes in the dry ingredients. And mix this. And then I'm going to mix this with my spatula. And here I prepared a 9x5 loaf pan. What I did was just add some oil, smother it with oil, and then I put some flour so that it does not stick. And now make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And I'm just going to pour my batter in here. I'm just going to spread it around. And here I have 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'm going to sprinkle that on top. If you prefer, you can just leave it out, bake it as is, or you can swap out the cinnamon for pumpkin pie spice. And I'm just going to put some on top of here. And with the pick, I'm just going to swirl it around. And this is going in the oven for 55 to 60 minutes. You want to just be checking occasionally so that you don't over bake it. And this is done. Mine was actually done in 45 minutes. I kept checking it every 20 minutes, and right at 45 minutes, it was done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this cool completely before I slice into it. I'm going to confess, I actually didn't let it cool down completely because, oh my gosh, I had to try it. And look at that. This is all the banana right here. And now we get to try it. So I just got a piece. There's like, oh my gosh, it's delicious. It's really, really good. It's moist. The cinnamon and brown sugar on top just brings it to a whole other level. This is really delicious. Honestly, the bananas and the pumpkin spice together, wow, very, very good. And that is it. That is the recipe for a delicious pumpkin spice banana bread. It is delicious. You need to make it, especially now that autumn is here. Pumpkin spice and everything nice is just what we need. So if you like this recipe, let me know down below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to also leave a nice comment below, share my video, and if you made this recipe, let me know how you liked it. We will see you in my next video. Bye.